Hello, welcome back to CBSE Maths and CRT Maths. Today we are going to discuss class 3, making equal volume. I have done video regarding making equal weights. Kindly watch that video. Now we know that volume means capacity. Okay, so 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. We have already learned this. So how to make it equal volume? To make 1 liter, how much capacity or how much amount of water should be added, like that. For example, one I will show like this. How many 500 ml? The same way, in the same way we did in equal weights also. Kindly watch that video. How many 500 ml will make 1 liter? Will make 1 liter. So in this 1 liter means 1000 ml, that we should keep in our mind always. So 500 ml, if one time you take, only we are getting 500 ml. But if you take 2 times, right? So one time we took, 2 times we took. So 500, then second time 500. 500 plus 500 is equal to 1000. So 1000 ml, how many times we got? 2 times. So answer is 2. 2 times 500 ml will make 1 liter or 1000 ml. Similarly, there can be other question also. How many 200 ml will make 1 liter? How many 200 ml? So here I am changing the question, 200. So what will be the answer? 1 time 200 you take, 1 time. Okay. Second time when you take, it is 400 only. We should get 1000 ml because 1000 ml is only 1 liter. So one more time you take and check. 3 times when you took 200 plus 200, 400. 400 plus 200, 600. Now 600 plus 200, again we have to take. It is what? 800 only. One more time when you take, that is 1000 ml. So how many we got? How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 200 ml is equal to, answer 5. 5 times 200, 5 into 200 is equal to what? 5 into 200 is equal to 1000. Understood? So answer here 5, because 5 into 200 is 1000 ml, that is 1 liter. How many 200 ml? 5 200 ml. How many 500 ml? 2 500 ml. Similarly, we will see other questions also. How many 250 ml? Instead of I am giving 200, instead of 200 I am giving 250. Okay. So we know that what we should write? 250 one time you write. One time. Okay. Then second time when you write, 250 plus 250, only 500 we got. No, we should get 1000. So those who are not able to do in the mind, just do in the working column 250 plus 250, 500 ml. So again you just add 250 ml. How much you are getting? 3 times. Then you will get 750 ml. One more time when you add, you will get what? 1000 ml. 1000. So that means 4 times 250. 4 times 250. So answer is 4. 4 into 250. 4 into 250 only 1 liter or 1000 milliliter. 4 times 250 ml is equal to 1000 ml. So those who are not able to do like this in the mind, 250 plus 250 is 500. Some children are not able to do in the mind. Then 500 plus 250, 750. 750 plus 250, 1000. Those who are not able to do in the mind, they have to do like vertically, they have to write and do. I will show like this. See, one time when you take 250, it is one time. Right here one time. Okay. Second time when you take 250, 2 times. Add. So we know that it is 500. No, we should get 1000 ml. Okay. So again you add 250 with this. So third time. No, so write third time here. Okay. So what you have to do? 0, 5, 750. 750 only we got. So we should get 1000 ml. So you check one more time, you add 250. Then you should get what? you will get, you should get, no, you will get 1000 ml. So I hope it is clear now. In this method you can try if you are not able to do in the mind 4 times. So it is what, fourth time when we are adding, you have to write here 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. 250 ml is equal to 1000 ml. 4 times 250 ml. Now the simple question is coming, how many 100 ml? This is very simple. How many 100 ml will make, how many 100 ml will make 1 liter? So here what you should do, one time you take 100. I will do directly in vertical method. Okay, one time, no? No, second time. Second time when you are adding, right there 2. What you got? Only 200, no? When with this 200 you write again plus 100. So third time you are doing addition. I mean first you took, then second time you added, that time you have to write there 2. Third time when you add, you should write there 3. 300 only we got, I should get 1000 ml. So again you have to take 100. Okay. So 3 plus 1 4. So 4 times you did, no? 4 times 400. Okay. Now how to do? Here you can do 400 plus 100. So here you will get 500, no? So this is 5 times. You are doing it 5 times. Then again plus 100. So 6 times. 6 times we are adding. Okay. So 6 plus 1 7. 700. Then 800. This 8. 800 plus 100. 800 plus 100. 800 plus 100 is 900. Right? Here no space. Shall I rub this and write? No, you may have confusion. I am going to write here after this 800 plus 100. So it is 900. So now again 900 plus 1. So here what? 9 times. Okay. Here 9 times. Here 10 times. So what is the answer? We reached in 1000. How many times? 10 times. 10 times 100 ml is equal to 1000 ml. See this one vertical method, I said those who are not able to do in the mind. 10 into 100 is only 1000. You have to keep in your mind. This is taking long time. So directly, like first step, like how we did first step, directly we can do like that also, 100 plus 100. Okay. So directly we will write 100 plus, one time you took 100 plus, now it is 200. This question I think you can do in mind because it is very simple. Then 3 times. Okay. Then 4 times. Then 5 times. 500 only. 5 times 100, 500. Right? Then 6 times. 6 times 100, 600. Now it is 600. This is 7th time, 700. Plus this 8th time, 800. Plus 9 times 900. 10 times is equal to 1000. So 100 plus 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, then 1000. 900 plus 100 is 1000. So last answer is what? 1000. So 10 times 100 ml is equal to 1000 ml or 1 liter. I think it is clear. So now let's see other question. How many 100 ml will make 500 ml? It is very simple. How many 100 ml will make 500 ml? So one time 100 plus 100 plus 100. Now it is what? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Now 4 times. What? 400 only. Plus 5 times. So 5 times. 5 times. Answer is what? Answer 5 times. 5 times 100 ml is equal to 500 ml. Okay, 5 times 100 ml is equal to 500 ml. Right. Now there can be another question. How many 250 ml will make 500 ml? That is very simple. How many 250 ml 250 ml will make 500 ml. First time you take 250, okay, one time. Plus, again you take 250, second time is equal to 500. So, answer is what? 2 times. Answer is 2 times 250 ml is equal to 500 ml. 2 times 250 is equal to 500. 2 times 250 equal to 500. Keep in your mind. 4 times 250 equal to 1000. 4 times 250 is equal to 1000. Right? Now there can be another question like this. How many 50 ml will make 1000 ml or 1 liter? How many 50 ml? 50 ml means it is smaller quantity, right? How many 50 ml will make 1 liter? So here in this I can tell you one easy form. When 100 means 100 ml, how many times we took to get as 1 liter? 1 liter, how much? How much? How much 100 ml? 10. 10 into 100, remember 10 into 100 is 1000. Right? Now I should take tens double. Tens double is what? 20. When I take tens double, hundreds half I can take. 20 times 50. Our question is what? 50. 20 times 50 is equal to 1000 ml. So answer is what? 20 times 50. 20 into 50. How many 50 ml? 20. 50 ml will make 1000 ml or 1 liter. But this is also can be done in the mind. Those who are not able to do in the mind, do write the steps and do 50 plus 1 time. Okay. 50 plus 2 times. 50 plus 3 times. 4 times. 5 times. 6 times. 7 times. 8 times. 9 times. 10 times. When you did 10 times, you are getting what? 500 only. 10 into 50, 500, no? So now you write again 11 times. 11 times. So 50 plus, it is 11 times. Now it is what? 550 now. 500 plus 50, 550. Again write 12 times. Now it is 600. You have to add in the vertical form also, you can add how many times. Then 50. You don't know division method. That's why we are using this method. You don't know division, how to do 1000 divided by 50, how to do 1000 divided by another 2-digit number like that. So in third standard you are using this method. Okay. So 13 times when you took what? You got 500, 550, 600, 650 now. Now 700. Okay. Then 750. 750. 15 times when you took 750 only. So now what you should do? Again add 16 times. Okay. Now it is 800. Now 850 17 times. Okay. Then 900. 950. Then 1000. So what is the answer? 20. Where we have concluded? 20 times. 20 times 50 equal to 1 liter or 1000 ml. So that you have to remember like that. 10 times 500 is, 10 times 50 is 500. 10 into 50. Okay. 10, 50. 10 into 50. 10 into 50 is what? Is equal to 500. So tens double you take 20. 20 into 50 only 1000. So tens double when you take 20 into 50, you can think like that. Tens double 20. 20 into 50, 500 double will get. So I will clear it again. If this one is confusing for you, I will clear it again. So far what we have discussed is, just you can remember 10 into 50 is equal to 500 now. 10 times 50. Okay, now tens double you take 20. 20 into 50 when you take 500's double will get. Tens double 20. So 20 into 50 when you take 500's double is 1000. So that is what 20 50 times will make 1 liter or 1000 milliliter. So in this, so far what we have learned, let us revise once. Okay. So this you have to keep in mind because this is general maths. This will be helpful in your real life also. So this one you have to keep in your mind. First one we have learned 2 times 500. Okay, 2 into 500 is equal to 1000. 2 times 500 ml is equal to 1000 ml. Second one we have learned 5 times 200. 5 times 200 ml is equal to 1000 ml or 1 liter. Okay, 1 liter. Then 4 times 250 is equal to 4 times 250 ml is equal to 1 liter. Then fourth one we have learned 10 into 50 equal to 500. 10 into 50 equal to 500 ml. 10 into 50 ml. Okay, 10 times 50 ml. So we can tell that 20 into 50 ml is equal to what? 1000 ml or 1 liter. Now we can try like this. 2 times 250 is equal to 2 times 250 ml is equal to 500 ml. Right? Now two more are there. 10 into 100 is 1000. This I am rubbing now. 10 into 100. We have learned that also. 10 into 100 ml is equal to 1 liter or 1000 ml. Then you can remember like this also. 10 into 5 into 100 is equal to 500. This is simple. 5, no, not 10. 5 into 100 ml equal to 500 ml. So these all you have to keep in mind. 2 into 500, 1 ml or 1000 ml or 1 liter. 2 times 500, 5 times 200, 4 times 250 ml, 10 times 50 ml is 500 ml, 20 times 50 ml equal to 1000 ml or 1 liter, 2 times 250 ml is equal to 500 ml, 10 times 100 ml is equal to 1 liter or 1000 milliliter, 5 into 100 ml is equal to 500 milliliter. So these all you have to keep in your mind. This will be helpful for you in your real life also because this is general maths. And please subscribe my channel. Okay, we will see in our next video.